Hi everyone. I got a package from Leslie and Carrie of Textile Arts LA for the Textile Summit that is happening, what day it is? This Saturday. Today's Tuesday. No idea what day it is anymore. We got this package because Leslie sent us a wonderful email, Leslie and Carrie, and I wanted to read it to you. So, hello Material Dialogues attendees. Many of us are missing slow, shared, touch-based community and deep, meaningful conversation. In a small gesture of response, a drop in the ocean if we are going to be realistic, such beautiful writing. We created Tactile textile boxes. And it's got some practical items for the schedule of the day, as well as some tools to play with, doodle with, transform with, and think with. The box also contains 4 questions posed for us by an artist. We hope that the box will bring a smile to your face and provoke your thinking today as we listen to our speakers on Saturday and as you continue with your practice and beyond. And I think this is a fantastic idea. I'm so excited. So, I said I would do an unboxing video for Leslie, so here we go. I don't really know what's in here, but I love this tape. This tape is awesome. All right, let's see what's in here. Sorry it's taken me so long to open my box. Okay, let's see. How do I open this box? Who would think that opening a box would be so difficult? There we go. No. Hold on. Good job, Eva. Good job. What do we have in the box, Stinks? Are you interested? Oh my god. It says Textile Arts Los Angeles. Wow, guys. I'm so impressed. I love this. Is a little, this is such an, I haven't seen this at all. I'm genuinely excited. So we've got something, this might be in sashiko thread. There we go, 100%. Awesome. Oh, we got these little wool pom-poms. What do you think? Yeah? You like them? Nope. You can't eat those. Those aren't a toy. We have a Prismacolor Premier colored pencil, crayon, I don't know, Vermilion Clair to doodle with. We have a little pin. We have an eraser. And then, because it's always textile related, you've got to have a needle and something to sew on. So cute. So cute. Yeah, are you excited, Stinks? So cute. What is this? Oh, it's a cute little notebook. Look at that. Looks like a handmade notebook. Have a sexy day. Oh, that's hilarious. Have a sexy day, thanks. Oh, thanks! That's what it says, so make sure you have a sexy day. We have the schedule. Super exciting. Let's see. Okay, here are some questions we have. Are you questioning what you do and its relevancy during this time of upheaval? How are you rationalizing your answers? That's a really good question, and I have to say, for someone who's gone to art school and has a master's degree in fine art, I've definitely felt useless over the past couple of years, but thanks to COVID and the US's unpreparedness, sewing has really become important, and I'm so thankful that my skills have finally been valued because I made like 65 masks for friends and family, and I finally felt valued, and it's a great feeling. If the focus of one's work is communication, how is it offering you an opportunity to be heard, even if it's only for oneself? I don't know. That one's not so easy. In these days of isolation, how does one use their work to communicate personal as well as cultural concerns? That is a very relevant question. Yeah, that's why I just continue to post on Instagram and Facebook and do videos and do Instagram stories, you know, just to keep connected. I love when I hear back from people, and I love communicating with your stories. And the last question is the process and end result of creating work providing a sense of solace and a greater understanding of your thoughts and feelings? Yeah. These are some really deep questions. So thanks, Michael. Thanks for those questions. And let's see. I don't know. I don't really feel like answering questions right now. And ooh, look. And a nice little canvas piece of fabric. This is so cute. I'm so thankful to be part of the Textile Arts LA family. It's a really great community for textile artists and educators in Los Angeles, founded by Leslie and Carrie. So I will tag them in this video. You should definitely check them out. They have tons of wonderful opportunities to learn about textiles. They have hands-on workshops. They have textile gatherings. They have, God, I'm blanking right now. They are involved with museums across Southern California, other organizations. What? He's looking at me. Yeah, I'm drawing a blank, but it's a great organization. You should check out their calendar, become a member. If this is your industry, you won't regret it. Textile Arts LA and the community is a wonderful community. Right, Stinkies? Yeah. Yep. So check it out. Thank you once again, Leslie and Carrie. This is so cute, really unexpected, and so thoughtful. Really, really appreciate it. Thanks.